Limarys here at Urban Air in Harrisburg. I'm here to meet Eddie from Sophie's Bubbles on this episode of Get to Work, so come along with me. I'm with Eddie Rodriguez, the co-owner of Sophie's Bubbles. We are here at Urban Air today. And Eddie, can you tell me a little bit more about what we're doing today?
So we clean this facility once a week. It's a pretty cool spot. It's a trampoline park and lots of cool stuff to do for the kids. I'll show you around. But first, you ready to get to work?
I'm ready.
Come on, let's suit up.
Thank you.
One of the most important tasks that we do here at Urban Air is taking care of the glass.
I think I did a really good job cleaning the window. I mean, it was a little high, so maybe if I was a little bit taller, I would rate myself a 10. But at my height, I think I did a really great job.
She could use a little more help with her technique. I mean, it looks streaky.
Oh, why does it look so smeary?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what to say. Good job. Thank you. Hold on, just step away from the class. Go build a website. I got this. Next up is the floor machine, all right? So instead of mopping everything by hand, what we do is we use a floor machine. All right, the second job that we had Limarys do was the floor scrubbing. It has a scrubber on the front, a vacuum and a squeegee on the back to pick up the water and the debris.
Okay.
All right, are you ready?
That's it? That's the training?
Yeah.
Oh God,
That's
all right.
it. Come on, you got this.
So I really think that the floor scrubber was my strength. I used a lot of my strength to push that thing. Did you see how heavy it was? Yeah, I definitely did I would rate myself a 10 on that one. Definitely.
That was not her strength. Definitely not her strength. I feel like the floor scrubber machine was pushing her, but it came out. It didn't work.
Yay, I did a good job.
How you doing there? You gonna be all right?
I'm out of breath.
Well, you have to catch your breath because the next course is you gotta go through the ninja course in order to get to the vacuums.
Oh.
so that we can complete our job.
All right, I can do this.
All right,
I can do this. Eddie made me go on the obstacle course. It was definitely a challenge. Out of everything I've done, cleaning-wise, I think that's where I really struggled. To be honest, I think I did a great job. I even beat Eddie in jousting, so.
She did not beat me in jousting. I gracefully bowed out because, I didn't want to hit her with the three-piece combo. I already had it figured out. I was going to go high, middle, low, take her out, sink her down, walk away. I had this whole thing planned out. But you know what? I showed mercy. I walked away from the jousting. I didn't want to, you know what I mean?
If you're rating my skills on that end, I would definitely give myself at least a 9.5, especially dodgeball. Did you see that shot that I had? Doing right in the head.
Dude, that's the truth.
Oh my God, that's steep. So that wraps up our day here at Urban Air in Harrisburg with Sophie's Bubbles. Eddie, how do you think I did today?
You did okay. You did all right.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate me?
I give you like a 7.
All right, so you don't think I should stick to my day job?
You should definitely stick to your day job.
All right, thanks. Hi, I'm Limarys Rodriguez, owner of LMG Marketing Solutions. I hope you're really enjoying our Get to Work series. Make sure you follow us on all of our social media platforms to stay up to date on the next episode. And if you're interested in being part of our episode or just interested in video production services like this for your business, make sure you stop by our website for more information.